Hi guys, it's your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So I made this simple shrimp and beef fried rice, guys, and it was so delicious. I want to share the recipe with you. So you know what, let's go. So in my wok I added some olive oil, and then I added my seasoned shrimps. So I'm going to cook this for just about 10-15 minutes. And then once it's well cooked, I'll just take it out from the wok and set it aside. So in the same wok, I added some grated ginger, diced onions, diced carrots, and then some grated scotch bonnet pepper. So we stir this for a bit, and then we allow it to cook. Then I added my bell peppers. Yeah, this is fried rice with enough veggies, very colorful as well. So we stirred it gently. Then I added my already cooked minced meat. I will share a video on how I prepared my minced meat. So we stir it gently for it to incorporate into the sauce. Then I added my peas. Yes, I usually add peas to my fried rice. It takes the taste to another level, but it's optional, guys. So over here I tasted for salt and everything was perfect because my beef was well seasoned. So I added my shrimp and then stir again. Then guys, I had some leftover cooked rice, so I just added it to it and stir it gently. Then I added some little soy sauce, and guys, our shrimp and beef fried rice was ready. I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for the massive support. I took a long break, but you still supported me. You kept sending comments, messages, and I received all. Thank you, guys. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much. I am Tasty and Fresh. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Okay, thank you guys, my returning viewers, my new viewers, my subscribers. God bless you. Kindly keep the support coming, the comments, the likes, and the views. I love you so much. Now I just added my spring onions or scallions, yes, whilst the fire is off, for garnishing and for more flavor. And just look at this, voila, our shrimp and beef fried rice is ready. This is the authentic fried rice recipe you can make. Thank you, and see ya in our next video, guys. Bye bye.